Oh, four. Four. Guys, come on, send me one panda gift. Hi, Sam. Baby, send me one panda. After you send one panda, you will get 5 surprises.
We'll see. Parang hindi ka kasya sa akin. Carry. Grabe kasi yung mga sinusuot. Tinig.
Extra small.
Ay, carry siya. Oh, divine. Tapos, kulay black na Joyce.
Baby, send me one panda gift. After you send one panda, you will get something. Come on, guys, drop me now. One panda gift.
Oh, divine. Ayusin ko sa likod tayo. Ay, nasa sa lalawin ko. Maglalay ba ako ngayon?
Baby, send me now. One panda gift. After you send this one, you will get something. You will get 5 surprises, baby.
Akin na yung sinabi sa likod. Pwede ko rin ko. Pangalan type lang. Maglalay ba ako ngayon?
Baby, send me one panda. Come on, hi Wheels. One panda gift, everyone. Baby, send this gift. One panda and you will get something. After you send one panda. Baby, come on, send me one ako. Come on, guys. Send me one panda. Hi, copy. Send me one panda gift, everyone. Send me one panda gift, everyone. Baby, come on, drop me one panda. After you drop one panda, you will get something. Come on. Anthony, send me one panda. Baby, come on, send me one panda. Hi, H. One panda gift, everyone. For us. Alvag. Guys, follow me back. Turn back. Follow me back, everyone. Jack, can you send me one panda gift? Titanic. David, hi. Send me one panda gift, everyone. After you send one panda, you will get something. Sino yun, guys?
Meron tumingin.
Nakalagay mo ba yan?
Hi, mister. Guys, come on, send me one panda. Hello, kuya. Ako. Wait lang, kuya, talaga. Guys, come on, send me one panda. After you send one panda, you will get something. Come on, guys. One panda gift. Baby, one panda, everyone. Send me now. Guys, send me one panda.
Dami kong viewers. Walang vloggers. Tumulong mo.
Baby, uy pa. Baby, come on, send me now. Baby, send me one panda gift. And you will get 5. After you send one panda. Come on. Send now. Thank you for following me, Mike. Message me, guys. If you want to one. If you want to take out of me here. If you want to take me out of here, just send me 1,000. One luxury car, everyone. Send me now to take me out of here so we can talk in the safe place where no one wants to join. Guys, come on, send me one panda and you will get 5. If you want to take me out of here, just send me one luxury car. 1K diamonds, baby. Baby, come on. Send me now. Guys, send me now. One panda gift, baby. After you send one panda, you will get something. Hi, B2. Welcome here.
Sino yun?
Quintela. Guys, send me one panda gift. Send me one panda gift, baby. After you send one panda, you will get something. So what you're waiting for, guys? Send now. This panda gift. Make me 1 star, everyone. Hi, Big. Big Tattoo. Hi, Appa. Send me this 199 and you will get 3. 199 Big Tattoo. Baby, can you send me 199? Babe. So I can get one. So I can get